Your backyard has more potential than you think. You're just not using it right. Most backyards end up as empty space, underused, unplanned, and overlooked. But with the right design, it can become the most valuable part of your home. Here's how to make your backyard truly functional. Start with purpose, relaxation, entertainment, and choose durable materials that handle Canada's climate. But design is only half the equation. Execution is everything. At the Queen's Home Service, we don't just build backyards, we engineer experiences from concept to completion. Every detail is planned, every finish built to last. Serving Ottawa, Canada, we bring precision, reliability, and premium craftsmanship to every project. Your dream backyard isn't far away. It just needs the right team to build it.